video. Today we have new tools from Harbor Freight. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more to review videos. That's the way YouTubers apply for my subscribers and likes. Big shout out to my man Josh for helping out the channel, pointing out the new tools, the new deals. Alright, let's go ahead and get started with the Harbor Freight website. We got the new the TIG 200 inverter power source welder. It's 120 volts, 240 volt input, $8.99. This is back in stock soon. It'll be back. So it's a new one. I believe I've seen this before. I don't know if I've seen this a different one or yeah, but I think I've seen this before. So $8.99 must be a newer model here. But yeah, we got that. This is the new light, guys. This is a new Braun 500 Lumen rechargeable shop work light. It's rechargeable shop work that's ideal for car repairs, emergency roadside repairs, working at night. $39.99. This is a really nice light. You can compare this to the Snap-on one. So you guys see it is rechargeable. You know what, guys? I think I want to get this one because this one's not bad. You can put it bit down and hide it and put it up. This is really nice. This looks like 500 lumen. I think it's comparable to the other light that we have. Might get this for work. It does have a magnet there. Wow, this is really nice. And it does have that you can charge it here on the bottom. I'm gonna get this here. Yeah, definitely need to get it. So that's the new one. We got a new mask here. It says welding silica and concrete dust molds. It's a new mask here for $29.99. This is like welding silica concrete dust mold respirator medium. It's medium size, I guess they have. Got the OVP95 approved respirator. Designed to prevent exposure to harmful particles found in welding. Okay, so we got that, and then we got here's another one. This is the large one, $29. We got a 4.5 by 1/16, 7/8 type T27 42 metal cutoff wheel, pack of 10, $9.99. You get these are the Hercules brand, so it's supposed to be the better brand. You get the 4.5 1/4 inch. 5/8-11 type 27 metal grinding wheel, $4.99. You got a masonry wheel, 4.5, $2.49. And then you got the 7-inch by 1/4 inch metal grinding wheel, $5.99. Comes compared to Diablo. You got a grinding. Here's a 5-inch grinding wheel, $2.79. Metal grinding wheel, $3.49. You got a grinding wheel. Metal grinding. So you got all these new ones, different sizes there. Here's a Bauer. It's like a flap, T27 flap disc, $6.49. You got some knee pads here, some nice stabilizer gel knee pads, $19.99. So always wear these guys, protect your knees. 20 bucks will save you there. Comfort grip knee pads, $7.99. You got a 7 1/4 18 tooth framing circular saw blade, $4.99. Me personally, tell you guys the truth, I don't want to put Harbor Freight down. But I just go Diablo. You know, Diablo or Hercules probably if they have a good sale on this. But you know, for Diablo, you got it good with the Diablo. I just put a brand new blade on my saw, on my cheap saw, and it works just like brand new basically. Paint system adapter 3M, $6.99. 30 feet retractable test leads, $19.99. Guys, these are new. This is the new self-adjusting pliers, 7-inch Quinn. I gotta get my hands into some of these. This is 10-inch self-adjusting pliers. I gotta get the bigger ones here. This bigger ones are always better. 8-inch 45 bent lock nose pliers. This is nice too. $4.99. Always nice to have on those tight spaces. Let's see here. Franklin 80 by 144 extra large double-sided moving blanket, $16.99. Get the pistol grip automatic wire stripper. It's nice. $17.99. Professional wire stripper cutter, $11.99. You got center pneumatic. I don't really like the center pneumatic stuff. You got the new Bauer 2300 psi, 1.2 gallons per brushless. Max Performance electric pressure washer, $2.19. You got the 14-in-1 painter's tool, $4.99. I gotta get me one of these for the house here. 13-pound capacity sawhorse, $49.99. If you guys haven't seen my video, not for this one, but I do have the Franklin sawhorse. It's a jaw horse, so you can clamp your stuff there. That thing's amazing. I'll see if I can link up the video. If not, just look up Franklin Jaw Horse. Make sure you guys get that one. When it's on sale or there's a coupon out, make sure you guys grab that. Got the Hypermax cordless 3 1/4 planer, $69.99. Here's another blade, 12-inch, 92. Yeah, it's fine. This is a fine saw blade here. $59.99. See what else? Flush cut pliers. Got icon. Yeah, we already went over these. Anyways, that's it for today, guys. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you.